Shannon Myers.
I'm Al Myers.
We're from New Oxford, Pennsylvania, and our daughter, Elena Myers, is participating in the Skills USA competition as a welder. As a young child, Elena always had a strong interest in using her hands to learn, and was fortunate enough at her high school to take a CTC class called Metal Tech, in which she developed an interest in welding. At that point, she had an amazing teacher who encouraged her, who provided her endless opportunities to continue to refine that skill. And as a junior in high school, Elena and her two teammates, Bowen Garman and Camden Elmo, won their regional competition by making a pizza oven, and then went on to states, the state of Pennsylvania, and won their state competition, and ended up here at Skills USA, where they are getting an awesome opportunity to not only do what they love, but compete and hopefully find opportunities that they wouldn't have found otherwise. As a mom, I'm so incredibly proud of Elena and how hard she's worked in this particular field. It's certainly not something that I would have ever dreamed that she'd have an interest in, but she does. She's amazing at it, and her school has done a phenomenal job of showing her how she can make a career out of this particular passion by going to college and pursuing actual career opportunities now, in which she's able to weld and continue to refine her skills. Dad?
We're very proud to support her. She's a good welder.